Let me ask you something. When was the last time you just hung, literally, off a bar? No fancy equipment, no complicated routine. Just you, your body, and gravity doing its thing. Now, I know what you're thinking. I'm too old for that. My shoulders aren't strong enough, or I don't even have a pull-up bar at home. But hold on, because what I'm about to share might be the missing link in your daily movement. And if you're over 50, this could be one of the most powerful exercises you're not doing, and it's time to change that. We spend years walking, sitting, lifting, reaching, slouching, basically compressing our spine all day long. Add in years of tension, limited shoulder mobility, or a history of poor posture, and you've got a recipe for stiffness, pain, and even breathing problems. But there's one ridiculously simple move that reverses all of that. It decompresses your spine, strengthens your grip, relieves tension, and improves shoulder mobility in less than a minute. It's called the Deadhang. And no, you don't need to be athletic. You don't need to be strong. You just need to let go and allow your body to stretch the way it was meant to. Think of it as the opposite of everything your body deals with daily. And the best part? You'll feel results almost instantly. So in today's video, we're diving deep into the Deadhang, why it's especially important for adults over 50, how to do it safely, and the unexpected benefits it brings to your posture, joints, and even your confidence. Ready? Let's hang, literally and figuratively. Why most people skip it? The Deadhang seems almost too simple. Most people walk right past the pull-up bar in the gym or at the park. Others think it's just a warm-up or part of some advanced calisthenics routine. But let me tell you, skipping this movement is a major mistake, especially for older adults. As we age, our joints get stiffer, our muscles lose elasticity, and the spine starts to compress under the weight of years of movement and gravity. Daily activities like bending, lifting, or even sitting put pressure on the vertebrae, squeezing everything together. And guess what most workouts do? They add more compression, more load, more impact. The Deadhang is the antidote. It gives your body a chance to reverse the pressure. It opens up the shoulders, stretches the spine, and lets your body breathe. But since it doesn't look flashy or intense, many people overlook it. Others avoid it because of fear of falling, of not having enough strength, or of hurting themselves. But the truth is, you don't need to be a superhero to do it. You just need to start slow. So if you're not hanging, you're missing out on one of the purest, most effective ways to reclaim control over your posture, decompress your spine, and unlock mobility you didn't know you lost. Let's take a closer look at what makes this exercise so powerful, especially for those over 50. What is the Deadhang and how it works? At its core, the Deadhang is exactly what it sounds like. You grab a horizontal bar, lift your feet off the ground, and simply hang with your arms extended. That's it. No pulling, no swinging, just hanging. But don't let the simplicity fool you. What's happening inside your body is truly powerful. First, the spine. Years of sitting and standing compress the discs in your back. When you hang, gravity gently pulls your spine apart, creating space between the vertebrae. This relieves pressure on nerves, reduces back pain, and improves spinal alignment. Second, the shoulders. The Deadhang puts your shoulders into a natural, open position. It stretches the chest muscles that often tighten with age and inactivity, and strengthens the stabilizer muscles that protect the rotator cuff. This can significantly reduce shoulder pain and prevent injuries. Third, grip strength. Research shows that grip strength is closely linked to longevity. A weak grip is often a sign of frailty and functional decline. When you hang from a bar, your hands, wrists, and forearms engage completely. Over time, this builds strength that transfers to everyday activities like opening jars, carrying groceries, or using tools. Fourth, core activation. Even though you're not moving, your core muscles have to engage to keep your body stable. You're training your abs, obliques, and even your pelvic floor without even realizing it. Finally, mental benefit. Hanging can feel uncomfortable at first, especially if you're not used to letting go. But with practice, it becomes a moment of calm, a chance to breathe deeper and stretch in a way that feels primal and natural. Whether you're hanging for 10 seconds or working up to a full minute, the Deadhang meets you where you are and builds you up from there. Let's talk about why the Deadhang is so important if you're over 50. First, your posture. With age, it's common to develop rounded shoulders, a hunched back. Second, joint mobility. Stiff joints are one of the top complaints among older adults. The Deadhang gently moves your shoulder joints through their full range of motion. It also stretches tight muscles in the upper back, arms, and chest, improving flexibility and reducing stiffness. Third, pain relief. Many adults over 50 deal with chronic shoulder pain, neck tightness, or lower back discomfort. While medication and massage can help temporarily, The Deadhang offers a natural, active solution. By decompressing the spine and mobilizing the shoulders, you relieve pressure and tension at the source. Fourth, better circulation. Hanging gets blood flowing to the upper body, including muscles and connective tissues that may not get much movement during a typical day. Increased circulation means better recovery, more energy, and faster healing. Fifth, bone density. As we age, bone density decreases, especially in women post-menopause. Weight-bearing exercises are one of the best ways to combat this. While it might not seem like it, the dead hang is a body weight exercise. It puts controlled tension on the bones of your arms, shoulders, and upper spine, helping to maintain strength and density. Sixth, grip strength. As we mentioned earlier, grip strength is directly linked to overall strength and longevity. If you want to maintain your independence, to cook, clean, garden, or carry your grandkids, grip strength is key. The dead hang is one of the best ways to train it. And lastly, confidence. There's something empowering about supporting your own body weight. Even if it's just for a few seconds, it reminds you that your body is capable, that you're strong, and that aging doesn't mean giving up mobility or vitality. How to start dead hanging safely. So how do you begin? Start with the right setup. Look for a horizontal bar that's high enough for your feet to leave the ground when you hang. If you're shorter or the bar is low, you can bend your knees. Many parks have bars, or you can install one at home in a doorway. Begin with a passive hang. This means you're not pulling yourself up. You're just letting your body relax. Grip the bar with your palms facing forward, arms fully extended. Let your shoulders relax and your body hang freely. Don't swing, and avoid jerky movements. Start with 10 seconds. That's it. You might feel some stretch in your shoulders or tightness in your grip. That's completely normal. Rest, shake out your arms, and try again. Aim for 2 to 3 rounds of 10 to 20 seconds in the beginning. As your strength improves, gradually increase the time. Your goal is to reach 30 seconds to 1 minute per set. Some people even work up to 2 minutes, but that takes time and consistency. Modify if needed. If full hanging is too difficult at first, use a resistance band or a lower bar to keep your toes on the ground. This partial hang still provides most of the benefits while taking some of the weight off your grip. Watch your shoulders. Make sure you're not shrugging too much or forcing the position. If you feel any sharp pain or discomfort, stop and reassess your form. It's always better to start light and progress gradually. Incorporate it into your routine. You can hang at the end of your workouts, during breaks at work, or while watching TV. It's easy to fit into your day and the results compound quickly. Don't worry if it feels tough at first. That's how progress begins. What matters is showing up, letting go, and giving your body the stretch and strength it's been craving. By the way, friends, see you soon for more interesting facts about human health.